Kailangan niya pa sabihin na doktor siya eh. Meron dak, kasama siguro to sa deal. Now look at their table, so nice. Customized. Tara, sugod bahay gang! Pasok! Hey, what's up guys? Today may dalawa tayong deal na try i-assign. So tara, samahan niyo ako. What's up guys? Kakarating lang natin dito. I think one of my buyer is here. And yeah, umpisa na natin to. First wholesale or planning to of the day. Are you friend? What's your name?
Hi, Dr.
Doctor? Ho 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 ho. Marlu.
Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you. Kailangan niya pa sabihin na doktor siya eh. Yun yung ano eh, when somebody is trying to put status on their name, yun ang gagawin nila. Lagyan yung pangalan ng, you know, lawyer or doctor. Hey, how are you, man? Is this the first time we're meeting?
No, many times.
Many times already? I forgot, man. I see so much. It's Indian. Marlu, nice to meet you. My guy is still running late, so he'll be here, but you guys can walk around the side of the house just to check in the back. That one right there. Don't worry, I'm not taking a video of you guys. I'm just taking a video of myself. So guys, dumating na yung mga buyer natin dito. Meron pang isa actually na late. So, antayin lang natin dumating lahat. Tsaka yung partner ko is wala pa dito. Actually, yung partner ko yung nakakuha ng deal na to. So, helping him na makahanap ng buyer para dito sa bahay na to. The duck, meron duck. Kasama siguro to sa deal. So guys, ito yung bahay. Actually, hindi ko pa nakapapasok to sa loob. Hindi ko alam kung ano itsura niya. Sa picture ko lang siya nakita. So, it looks like it has potential. Pero ang goal kasi dito is i-build, split the lot, tapos i-build 2 new houses. Yan yung bahay. Guys, ayan yung mga buyer natin. Tinitingnan na nila yung likod. Hopefully we can make some money today. This is the first assignment deal for today. After nito, pupunta agad tayo dun sa isa pa. Ano yung partner natin, so pasukin na natin to. Oh, look at those. Friendly neighborhood right there. Our friends is here. It does add character to the house. I guess he doesn't like the house. This is what you get for good deals, man. You see? Oh, look at their table, so nice. Customized. Customized, eh? Custom table right here too. Custom table. These guys are planned to build, but since it's a gravel road, yeah, subdividable. So yeah, so they can give us an offer, yeah, and build as it is. Yeah. Because like look at those 2 houses there. Yeah. They built just 1 house. Yeah. Yeah. Because I think that house there too, like in the gravel in the back.
Yeah, it's gravel. All the back lane. I took a walk here. Yeah. All of the new infills and all that. So
yeah. So guys, kakatapos lang namin dito. Wala pang offer, pero sabi nung buyer kong isa, mag-o-offer siya. The thing about this house, 50-footer lot siya. Maganda yung area niya, St. Vital area to actually. The only bad thing about this is yung backlane niya is gravel. So pag gravel yung backlane mo, kahit 50-footer lot yung property mo, hindi i-allow ng city na i-split yung lot mo. So that's what's happening, and nag-hesitate yung mga buyer kasi dun nga sa rules na yun. Kung 50-footer lot tapos semento yung likod ng backlane, would have been sold. Punta na tayo dun sa next one natin. Like I said, waiting game tayo dito. Gusto makita nung same buyer ko dito sa isa pang deal natin. And hopefully this one sells at that property para hindi na tayo maghintay. So, let's go. Always trying to beat up the next person.
Okay, we'll do 248. I'll meet you in the middle there.
Okay, let me know.
Okay, awesome.
Okay, bye. Okay, bye. So guys, ayan, narinig nyo, meron tayong offer at 248. Tinatry namin ibenta to ng 255 dahil nga hindi mas-subdivide yung lot. Yung mga gustong buyer na bumili, hindi nila mabili or ayaw nilang bilhin kasi nga dahil sa gravel road. So etong buyer natin na isa, ang plan niya is to keep the house or build on the existing lot without subdividing the lot. So she's offering us 248. We might just take it and then move on to the other deal. So I'll update you guys soon. So guys, dito na tayo sa next deal natin. Tara, sugod bahay gang! Pasok! Kausapin natin yung partner ko. Yo, so what's happening?
248.
Okay.
She said I'll give 10 grand up front and then the rest of the fee after. I'll take the risk on that. You and Jesse can get paid.
Okay. How do you want to do the assignment, just use whatever I have?
Yeah, I said that you'll reach out to her to get the contract signed.
Okay, the assignment, okay.
Just because she won't around with you, she may try to like bend my arm a bit.
Yeah, that's why she wants me to leave, because she knows I'm firm with her.
Yeah, she always lowballs. It's very typical with her, but she's paid me before, but it took a while to pay.
Yes.
But at the end of the day, or we all just split the 10 grand right away, and then when she pays us the rest, we just pay ourselves back.
That's okay.
$1,000.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put her all information on the assignment, and then we'll get the seller on your end, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay, guys. As you heard, sa done deal at 248, waiting na lang tayo. Pupunta kasi yung bumili nung property kanina. Ngayon, dito sa second deal natin, kasi gusto niya din tingnan to. Don't count other people's money, just count your money. Okay?
Understood that.
So, come here now. We're here. We'll do the contract here for that deal. And then, yeah, you give me the money and then done deal.
You get the check for me.
Oh my God. Why check?
Check with me or I can write you a check.
Why check?
But then you
I thought you're gonna
can't
give me cash.
What the hell? Can't I have to go to the bank, my dear? You
So-
think I'm the banker? Come on.
Give me cash for my own.
Can't be own. What the hell?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay? Come here, though.
I'm on the
Okay,
way.
okay, bye-bye.
Give me a better deal, okay?
Shut.
Give me something good.
This is better deal already. Okay, bye-bye. Guys, ito yung likod ng next deal natin. Ganda siya dahil park yung likod niya. This is a good thing about this thing, eh? Just right behind the park, you know? So, very good neighborhood. Tapos na tayo dito sa second one natin. Unfortunately, hindi ganun kaganda yung numbers based on my buyers is telling me. So, I might have to renegotiate dun sa seller and get a better price para kumita tayo. Guys, tapos na yung contract natin dito sa yung una nating deal. So, that's done. And then, itong second deal natin, kailangan natin i-renegotiate yung price. But yeah, good day. 1 out of 2. Ibibigay niya sa amin yung pera namin tomorrow. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.